Okay, so we're now just going to quickly have a look at level 2. Let's keep the sheet tidy and go for year 12. Move the tab across. So now, total credits towards level 2. So we know that level 2 credits is anything they gain at level 3 plus anything at level 2 and plus 20 from level 1. So that's assuming though that everyone at level 1 actually did gain 20. So all we need to quickly do, we can go into here. I'll go for largest to smallest. So I can just scroll down here and wait till I get to the 20s. For example, so there's people down here with less than 20, so we don't want to carry those across. So that's the formula here that basically says that I'm adding 20, which is okay when they've got 23, but this person's got 19. So I just do a quick workaround that basically just pulls from that field from now on. So whatever that number is, which is less than 20, that just corrects that. So that gives us an accurate how many level 2 credits there are. So moving across, once again, just tidying things up. I still want the not achieved, so I'm not worried about level 1. So we'll delete those. Not worried about level 3. Delete those. I've got total credits remaining, which is still great. Enrolled, great. Completion rate, great. Get rid of UE. Delete that. Predicted credits again. So equals. So we're going to go for the number of credits remaining in here, and we're going to multiply that by their completion rate. Close brackets. One not. Close. Plus whatever they have towards level 2. Boom. Enter. So here we are, predicted credits. Once again, I can now rank that if I want to. Largest to smallest sort. And a bit like conditional formatting, like we said before, highlight cells, less than. We've said you can do that for anything, but let's just do it for less than 80. Okay, so now when I scroll down, any students predicted to get less than 80 should be in here identified in red. So here they all are here. So a nice easy way for doing level 2. So that's my level 2 sheet all sorted. Save as I go. And then all I'm going to go in now is go and do my final year 13. So year 13 starts here. Just going to select year 13. Copy, start a new tab, I'm going to paste, I am going to get the headings, so let's copy that whole row, put back into here, and insert the copied cells, select all, brings it down, I'm going to hide these, and tidy it up. So this is year 13, and same thing again here. Now we don't need credits at level 1 because they don't count for anything towards level 3, so I can delete that column. So this is now credits towards level 3, which is basically anything they've got at level 3 plus 20 that they're pulling up from level 2. I put that in the wrong column, didn't I? That's another good little one here, undo, always good fun. So total credits towards level 3 equals anything they've got at level 3 plus 20 from level 2. Same scenario again though, we can't just assume that everybody has got 20 credits at level 3, but like this guy here. So all I do is I rank these again, largest to smallest, sort. I scroll down, I haven't even fixed the top yet, so let's view, freeze panes, freeze top row. I'm going to go down to my level 2s until I get to 20 credits, which is, so yeah, the level 2, so I'll go down to, so here, obviously, that's, you see up here, I'm adding plus 20, but here is only got 15, so I just adjust that to include that one there. So that gives us the correct credits, and then I just carry that, double click, carry that formula down, which just copies that, however many they've got, less than 20, down into there. So that's all of that done. Tidying things up. We don't need levels 1 and 2. Trying to strip this as a much kind of distracting data as possible so that deans can actually work with this effectively. We don't need level 1 literacy. They've got UE literacy now and numeracy. Predicted credits, same thing again for us here. That is going to equal the number of credits remaining, total credits remaining, multiplied by their current completion rate, which I can't click in there at the moment because the formula's over it, but I do know the cell number is U2. Yeah, U2. Close my 1, not naught, close the brackets, and I'm going to add that to how many credits they have towards level 3, which is right here, and hit return. So if you see these little hashtags here, it's because the column's not wide enough. So I'll just double click, make that wider. Come in here, predicted credits again, same thing, conditional formatting. I'm going to highlight cell rules less than 80 at this stage. So these are students we're predicting to get less than 80. And then I can sort them high to low, low to high, doesn't really matter. And now hopefully students with less than 80 credits are highlighted in red. Boom, right here. So here's our students here. What I forgot to do on the level 2 one, which I've started doing, is putting these filters on. So highlight the whole lot, filter, and then you just need to change that so that sits nicely. Save that, back to level or year 12s, highlight the lot, sort filter, put a filter on, titles in the middle, looks tidy, save. So now I've now got all of year 11 in a table, all of year 12, all of year 13, all with all predicted grades, and that is it. All easy.